Some of you are having problems with homework 6. Now, ordinarily, I wouldn't help you too much with the homework, but it seems a lot of people are having a problem with it. It's to do with number 12, and it's to do with the updating of the links. Somebody has found a new version of the of one of these spreadsheets that are all the summaries of which are all summaried on this cubed ice sales summary. And if we have a look, the one in question, and I think I'm right in saying this for you guys, all of you, forgive me if this is not the problem, but this is what I understand it to be. It's linking here to New Midwest 2016. That's what you're supposed to make it do, and I think somehow it's got it so you're already linking to that, and there's supposed to be a change in these numbers when you do. Now obviously if you're already linked to it and then you update the numbers, it's not going to change the numbers because you're already linking to it. So if you look at this information, it's a bit complicated, but if you go up to data and you go to edit links, you can see the exact link, what's happening. And you can see here that one of these is for New Midwest, and originally it should be just for Midwest. So what we have to do is change it back in order to change it again. So we change the source of that file here, and then we go off to not this PC on my particular thing. You go and find where you've saved all the files for this particular homework. So you would want to go down to I want to go down to this PC because I know it's on a Dell Tech drive here. So but the important thing is that when you start doing this particular homework, you could make a copy of all the files, all the worksheets, and put them in one place, in one folder that you can access at any time. It may go wrong if you move, if it's on a jump drive, a thumb drive, and you move from one place to another. It might designate it a different drive and the whole thing will stop working. But you just need to update these links to where it is and it should start working again. So I'm looking here, spring 2015. I'm going up to data files, solutions for data files. It's in Excel 6 and it's case 4. And I put everything in a top folder called test. So the original one it should be linked to is Cubed Ice Midwest. Okay, so you saw it change then. So you should be at a starting point where the ones that are grouped together, again you can look at edit links, are these here: Ice Cubed Midwest, Ice Cubed Northeast, Cubed Ice Southeast are the ones that are all linked together for this summary of summaries. Okay, now, and those are the results. And if you look at question 12, it does actually say 5,155,415 $2,502,265 and $120,133 for the bonus. There are the totals at the end. So what it's asking you to do is now this is back at the start of the question, and it's asking you to update these. So you have to come up here, and you have to say, well, I found a new spreadsheet that's going to significantly change these figures, and I'm going to put it in. And you go up to edit links, and you find the Midwest one because that's the one you're going to change, and you're going to change the source for that information. So you just click on change source, and now it's remembering where it was last time, and you just come up to the New Midwest 2016, which you just opened and saved in that position, and you then change it and close it, and you can see now that those two have remained the same, and that's true, but this one has increased to 209,478, which is the correct answer. Okay, so if you watch this a couple of times, you'll see it's all to do with editing the links. And remember that all the relevant worksheet files must be in the same folder. Well, they don't have to be in the same folder, but it makes more sense for you to have them in a folder that you can get to when you're actually answering the question. If your this summary spreadsheet here, Cube Dice summary, it cannot see these files, it cannot display any information when you refresh it. Okay, so if it thinks these files are in a folder that doesn't exist on your PC because you've taken it home to work on, or something like that, then you're going to have to edit these links and go and find all these files again, because they'll be somewhere. I hope that makes sense. I can't really help you any more on this, but that's the basic problem I think that you're having with it. So hopefully everything will be fine now.